Hey, welcome back to Skylearning Education. I'm Teacher Yali, and today we have a super important lesson. Today we are going to practice the verb to be. This verb is like a superhero in English. You use it all the time. I am happy, she is a teacher, they are my friends. But don't worry, it's easy. By the end of this video, you will use it like a pro. Are you ready? Let's go! First, a quick review. Do you remember the pronouns? Let's check. I, that's you. You, that's the person in front of you. He, a boy or a man. She, a girl or a woman. It, a thing, an animal. We, you and me together. You, a group of people. And they, other people. Okay, so now let's meet the verb to be. The verb to be has three forms: am, is, and are. Simple. Look at the screen. I am. I am a student. You are. You are funny. He, she, it, is. She is a teacher. We are. We are friends. You, plural, are. You are great. They are in the park. Now the secret of English. English loves shortcuts. We use contractions in English or short forms. Look, I am, am. I'm happy. You are, you're my friend. He is, his. He's tall. She is, she's. She's funny. It is, it's. It's a dog. We are, we're a team. They are, they're cool. Listen to the difference. Long, I am a student. Short, I'm a student. Same meaning, but faster and more natural. Now a quick game. Which one is the short form? A or B? B, that's right. He's happy. Did you get it? Hey, high five. Now the negative form. How do we say no with the verb to be? Easy. We add not. That's it. Look. I am not. I am not tired. You are not. You are not Ron. He is not. He is not here. She is not. She is not sad. It is not. It is not a cat. We are not. We are not late. They are not. They are not students. See? Just add not after am, is, or are. Super simple. But wait. We have short forms too. Two options this time. Check it out. I am not. Well, this one only has one option. I'm not. You are not. You aren't or you're not. He is not, he isn't, or he's not. She is not, she isn't, she's not. It is not, it isn't, it's not. We are not, we aren't, we're not. They are not, they aren't, they're not. So both forms are correct. In everyday English, people use both. For example, she isn't my sister or she's not my sister. Both are perfect. You choose. So let's practice. Repeat after me. I'm not a robot. Wait, are you sure? We aren't in Paris. Good. It isn't a dinosaur. Phew. Okay, final challenge. Are you ready? I give you 4 sentences and you have to tell me, is it affirmative or negative, and is it long or short form? Ready? Okay, here we go. Okay, let's check the answers. Number 1, they're football players, so it's affirmative and short form. Number 2, he is not from Mexico. It's negative and long form. Number 3, we aren't tired, so it is negative and short form. And finally, number 4, I am your English teacher. This sentence is affirmative and long form. Great. Well, you did it. You're incredible. Okay, let's do a quick review. Today, you learned the affirmative form, long and short, the negative form, long and short, am, is, are, and when to use them. So now your homework. Write 3 sentences about yourself in the comments below. Use the verb to be, affirmative or negative. For example, I'm from Colombia. I'm not a teacher. I'm a student. Okay? So if this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe to Skylearning Education, and share it with a friend who's learning English. So see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.